Welcome back, guys, to Mill Creek Park in Youngstown, Ohio. Today we're at another unique destination, the East Channel and Islands Trail. It's a short 1 mile trail over here, located next to the Daffodil Meadow. And as you can see, the sun is setting. It was a beautiful day. It was actually in, I believe, the upper 60s today. We have beautiful views of the lake over here. Lake Newport. The sky is just a gorgeous color right now. So sit back and enjoy today's short hiking adventure. And this is one of the final trails in the park we have not completed yet, so I think we've basically completed all of them after this, almost all of them. Yeah, the temperature and everything was perfect today, guys, so we just had to get out here and do a little bit of hiking. And recently I announced on my channel that I will be going to California in a few weeks to film some amazing content, so I really like this shot too. That's beautiful. There's a couple of beautiful geese over here. I don't know if you guys can see them. So this is another portion of the park that is very popular. As I mentioned, I returned here. The sun is now setting officially, so I'm going to try to wrap up this hike quickly. What a beautiful hiking trail. Like I said, we've never been on this one before. Just super peaceful. There's only like a couple of people on this trail. I believe we're approaching the wetlands. As you can tell how marshy. Wow, look at that beautiful tree over there. Jeez. That thing is massive. Even this one's used as like a little border. There's some of the wetlands over there. You guys can see a lot of cattails, and there's also a lot of lily pads in this park. Alright, let's continue on. I think we're almost done with this trail. So yeah, it's relatively short. Only 1 mile. Perfect for an afternoon or even a nice morning hike. This trail is also located more towards Boardman, Ohio. That way, if you guys are looking for a reference, it is on East Newport Drive. And it's actually right before the Daffodil Meadows parking lot, so very convenient. Here's some of those little islands over here. You can see all the trees and everything. It's really beautiful, quite peaceful. Well, here's some movement. Oh, it's just a little chipmunk. All right, the sun's really starting to set, guys, so we're gonna have to wrap this up. But I thought there was a waterfall over there. But that's a beautiful reflection right there. That's nice. So this part of the hike still runs along the water. It's moving real slowly too. We've really had a mild winter. It's been not that bad this year.